Hi volunteers, welcome to the Hospice Volunteer Training Program. In this video, we shall discuss about some of the precautions, universal precautions that healthcare workers can take so as to limit their exposure or protect themselves when they get exposed to blood or any other body fluids. Let's discuss about the universal precautions in the video. OSHA introduced a standard based on guidelines developed by the CDC that are designed to protect you from blood-borne disease. CDC considers the following potentially infectious like semen, body fluids containing visible blood, vaginal secretions, etc. Universal precautions also apply to the following, especially if it contains visible blood, like nasal secretions, feces, tears, sweat, etc. So there are certain things that you need to wear, like gloves. Gloves should be worn for touching blood and body fluids, mucous membranes or non-intact skin of all patients. For handling items or surface soiled with blood or body fluids, or for performing venipuncture or other vascular access procedures. Gloves should be changed after contact with each patient, or just use your common sense. Mask and protective eyewear. Mask and protective eyewear or face shield should be worn during procedures that are likely to generate droplets of blood or other fluids to prevent exposure of mucous membranes of the mouth, nose and eyes. Gowns should be worn during procedures that are likely to generate splashes of the fluids. Hands and other skin surfaces should be washed immediately and thoroughly if contaminated with the fluids. They should be washed immediately after gloves are removed. Remember to use antibacterial soap. Saliva. Although saliva has not been implicated in HIV transmission, but to minimize the need for emergency mouth-to-mouth resuscitation mouthpieces, ambu bags with mask and other ventilation devices should be available for use in areas in which resuscitation is predictable. Dressing. Patient dressing and other disposable items should be double bagged and placed in a container. Universal precautions also protect us from other microorganisms and viruses like herpes, VRE, MRSA and more. So volunteers, in this video we discussed about some of the universal precautions. It is always important to know about these things in hand so that you are protected for any kind of infections, any kind of viruses, so that you stay healthy, happy and can also provide care to the patients at hospice. So volunteers, keep on watching more videos and keep on learning.